Plastifloor resins are fast-curing resins based on MMA. All kind of floor coatings can be installed after a good prep with the shoot blasting machine. The primer is Plastifloor 112 on a concrete substrate. It will be applied by rollers and broadcasted light with quartz sand 0.6 to 1.2 millimeters. After curing of the primer, the floor coating can be installed. It will be spreaded out and then broadcasted with a broadcasting machine with color quartz or natural quartz, depending on what kind of surface you want to achieve. Also, the base coat is curing very fast, within 45 to 60 minutes, so the floor will be ready to be sealed very shortly. You can achieve different colors and structures. The coatings are mostly used for industrial floors. We ship the resins always 4 drums on a pallet, mostly in containers, sea containers or truckloads, direct to our international clients, together with fillers, hardener, and we offer also technical support. The resins are installed for all kinds of industrial floors. They can be used interior and exterior, in showers, shower rooms and locker rooms, in kitchens and interior applications like washer rooms for the food industry. Also, the resins are used for stairs, interior and exterior, and even for waterproofing in pools, the Plastifloor resins are used. Here, application in strong textile industry. Butchers' shops need to be slip resistant and waterproof. And also for your garage, you can use the fast curing Plastifloor resins. International chefs like to have the floors in their kitchens. Here, a project in the steel industry. A car repair in Denmark. And they are used also for coolers and freezers, as well for balconies and terraces on exterior applications. We ship always direct to our partners. The resins are made in our own factory in Falkenstein in Germany. I'm Volkmar Lull. I'm the manager of Plasti-chemie since 1995 and I approve this message.